Oh, there, it's gone. Because they pushed it. Look it! Look it!
That's crazy deep. Don't fall in, buddy.
This gum
Wow.
in the water.
Crazy deep.
Hey, Uncle Andy,
What?
put this guy down. It's gone! What's this?
Let's try this
Look at
small
him go.
one.
Oh my god, that's huge.
This one is huge. Ready?
Yeah. Is it gonna move down and all the way?
Whoa.
When did you learn how to spit like that? Show us. Wait a minute, I gotta back up. Everybody leave the water still.
Getting stuck.
Leave the water still.
Stuck, but that's pretty deep.
Awesome. That's really awesome.
I can stand right here. Do it.
Good job.
Oh my god, look what Angelo got. Maybe you could say, oh my goodness.
That would be a way of
Want me to put that
expressing
in?
it differently.
That's a different way of saying it, yeah. You want help, Ann?
Shouldn't we all help?
Yeah, let's all do it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Whoa, it broke.
Oh, watch this.
It's all over me. Get it off. Get it off me. Get it off.
No way.
Oh, you got it all on me now. Thanks a lot, mud boy.
How about this one?
Wait, shh, everybody quiet. Oh, that's just Angela.
Oh, let's help Ants pick up the stick. Look at it. No, look at mine, huh? Look at this one. Oh yeah, look at this one. Mine's taller.
I don't know.
I think they're the same height. Girls can't do that. What? Bye-bye.
I don't know. She's
Bye-bye.
doing it.
What did you just say?
Girls can't do
Careful,
that.
Daniel. Don't fall in.
Say that again.
Girls can't do that.
Oh, you had to get him off.
Don't fall in.
No, Angelo.
I got you, buddy. I got you. I got you.
Sorry.
Look, it's still going in.
No, your butt's not even wet.
You're gonna fall right in. Don't fall in.
Andy, help me put this
Ty, I
down.
think you
Tyler,
need to
that
go
breaks
more
your
upright.
You're gonna fall if you do that.
I think you need to send it down
Yeah.
straight versus at an angle.
Right. Like,
You got it, Danny.
apple.
Look at how many leaves are in there.
Oh. That's it. I'm gonna keep pushing mine down. Here, why don't you push it down? Oh, guys!
I'll watch you. Go ahead.
What? See that little point? I'm gonna push it down this one.
Right where?
What about this one, guys?
There?
What about this one?
I don't know. I think it's getting, you know what it is? It's
What, Ange?
getting hard with leaves.
What?
It's hard to push stuff down. We
Let's
got-
all try carrying this big one.
Are you crazy?
Now.
Are you crazy? You think we could carry this?
I can Daniel.
Look at this thing. It's a tree. It's really a tree that fell over.
No, it's a tree.
We can't carry this. It's too much.
I bet I could carry it.
I bet when you're bigger you'll be able to.
Oh, I'll watch it.
Run! Quick, run! It's going! Run!
I have a spear. I got.
What do you guys think of the black hole?
Pretty neat. That's some stuff throwing stuff.
Should we take him up to the big hill?
Yeah, let's go up to the big hill.
Show Daniel Killer?
All right, up to the top of the hill. Come on, Ange. We gotta get up. We gotta get out of here.
You mind if I break this and make it into a slingshot?
Nope, that's fine.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll help you climb up the hill.
Up the hill isn't wicked awesome. Big uphill. First one up the hill is the wickedest awesome.
And whoever's last has to jump into to the black hole.
Oh, thanks a lot, Daniel. That's what I get for bringing up the rear.
And Kathy's last, she has to go jump in the black hole.